How to install. Remove the main unit and sound accessories. Unscrew the screws on the instrument. Align the screw holes of the bracket with the screw holes on the instrument. Fasten with screws, paying attention to the orientation of the bracket. Handle for attaching the ice hammer. Align it and plug it in. A sound will connect it in place. Connection port for handle number 1, corresponding to number 1 on the interface. It is recommended to mark with stickers for easy differentiation during operation. Connection port for handle number 2, corresponding to interface number 2. Pedal connection port corresponding to handle number 1. It is recommended to mark with stickers for easy differentiation during operation. Pedal connection port corresponding to handle number 2. Connect the power cord and turn on the power switch. Using Metamorph function, handle-mounted Metamorph operating probe. Time. Radio frequency energy. Depth. Operational hair locks. Tap Save after adjusting the parameters. After adjusting the parameters, tap Start. The interface on the other side corresponds to handle number 2 and the adjustments are the same. Cold hammer adjustment. Time. Radio frequency energy. Depth. After adjusting the parameters, tap Start. Time, radio frequency energy, depth, fixed mode, burst mode. The work of the operating head after stepping on the pedal once in each numerical value change. The difference lies in the number of times the energy is released. After adjusting the parameters, tap Start. Code hammer adjustment. Wipe off any residual gel with a damp towel. Needs to be sterilized with 75% alcohol or disinfectant before next use. Use a wet towel to wipe the residual product clean. Before the next use, need to be sterilized with 75% alcohol or disinfectant solution.